Kudos to you, sir. And kudos again.
Kudos to you.
Kudos to you. Kudos to you. And kudos again.
Kudos to you.
Kudos to you. That's wonderful.
Kudos to you, Mr. Rose.
So, like, kudos to you, Chris. Kudos to you, Atlanta and Texas. That's kudos to you.
Kudos to you, Beth, for getting this.
Yeah, well, kudos to you.
Kudos to you, good humanuses.
It's clever. Kudos to you guys.
Back down. Hey, the best is yet to come. The show is...
The best is yet to come.
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 To always remember that the best was yet to come.
Wait, best is yet to come.
Well, the best is yet to come.
Yeah, the best is yet to come. Real original.
Because I told you, the best is yet to come.
Because it means that the best is yet to come.
Call it. Heads or tails?
Heads. Heads or tails?
Heads.
Heads or tails? Tails all day.
Heads or tails? Tails.
Heads or tails? Heads or tails?
Heads or tails?
Heads or tails? Tails.
Heads or tails?
What do you want to do? Heads or tails?
Take it or leave it.
Get or leave it.
You take it or leave it.
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 Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
What's troubling you?
What's troubling you?
Morning, Belle.
What's troubling you?
What's troubling you?
What's troubling you?
What's troubling you?
What's troubling you, buddy?
What's troubling you, friend?
What's troubling you, Lincoln?
What's troubling you, Benster?
What's troubling you, Sugar?
What's up, Fisher? What's troubling you?
What's troubling you?
Well, what's troubling you?
What troubles you?
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we